Are you using the right investment accounts to build wealth in 2026? Understanding which accounts to use is crucial for minimizing taxes and achieving your long-term financial goals. Whether you're planning for retirement, saving for a home, or looking for flexible investment options, selecting the right accounts can make a world of difference. From tax-free growth with Roth IRAs to the flexibility of taxable brokerage accounts, each account has unique advantages. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 investment accounts everyone should understand. These accounts will help you make smarter investment decisions, maximize your savings, and secure a stronger financial future. Let's dive in. 1. The Tax-Free Growth Hub Roth IRA. The Roth IRA is often considered the crown jewel of retirement accounts due to its tax-free growth benefits. While you contribute after-tax dollars, the true advantage lies in the fact that your investments grow 100% tax-free, and the withdrawals you make during retirement are also tax-free. This makes the Roth IRA one of the most powerful tools for long-term wealth accumulation, as it allows your money to grow without the drag of taxes eating into your returns. Over the course of decades, the power of compounding combined with tax-free growth can significantly increase the value of your investments. In 2026, Roth IRAs have evolved to become more than just a retirement tool. While it remains one of the best accounts for retirement savings, many people are now using their Roth IRAs as a secondary emergency fund. The key benefit here is that, unlike traditional retirement accounts, you can withdraw your original contributions at any time without penalty. This offers a level of flexibility and accessibility not typically found in other retirement accounts like 401(k)s or traditional IRAs, which impose penalties for early withdrawals before retirement age. This feature makes the Roth IRA particularly attractive for those who want to build wealth while still maintaining the option to access their money if needed. You can still take advantage of its tax-free growth and use it as a cushion for unforeseen expenses, offering peace of mind that your investments are working for you, but you can access them if life throws you a curveball. By maximizing your Roth IRA contributions, you are setting yourself up for long-term financial success. Not only do you enjoy tax-free growth, but you also gain the flexibility to withdraw your contributions as needed. Whether you're planning for retirement or looking for a flexible wealth-building tool, the Roth IRA is an essential account that should be part of every financial plan. 2. The Triple Tax Advantage Stealth Account, HSA. The Health Savings Account, HSA, is one of the most misunderstood but powerful wealth-building tools available in 2026. What makes the HSA stand out is its triple tax advantage status. Contributions are tax-deductible, the growth of your investments is tax-free, and withdrawals for qualified medical expenses are also tax-free. This combination of tax benefits makes the HSA an exceptional tool for building wealth, especially for those who want to save for both healthcare and retirement expenses. For individuals who have a high-deductible health plan, HDHP, the HSA is available and offers an unparalleled opportunity to build wealth for healthcare costs now and in the future. Many people use their HSA to cover medical expenses during their working years, from doctor visits to prescription drugs. However, one of the most strategic ways to use the HSA is to let the account grow and compound in low-cost index funds or other investments. This allows the HSA to become a long-term wealth-building asset, growing over time much like a retirement account. After the age of 65, the HSA becomes even more valuable as a supplemental retirement fund. You can use the funds for non-medical expenses without penalty, though these withdrawals will be subject to income tax similar to a traditional IRA or 401(k). This gives you the flexibility to use the HSA for healthcare costs throughout retirement and still benefit from tax-free growth during your working years. For those who can afford to let their HSA funds grow, it becomes a multi-purpose savings account supporting both healthcare needs and retirement goals. Additionally, many individuals overlook the long-term investment potential of the HSA. Since withdrawals for medical expenses are tax-free, it's an ideal account to use for both short-term medical expenses and long-term growth. The ability to invest in a variety of assets while also receiving tax-free withdrawals for medical expenses makes the HSA an invaluable asset for healthcare savings and long-term wealth accumulation. With its flexibility, significant tax advantages, and potential for compounding, the HSA is an essential account to consider for anyone looking to maximize their savings strategy for both healthcare and retirement in 2026. 3. The Bridge Account Taxable Brokerage. The taxable brokerage account is often referred to as the Freedom Fund. Unlike retirement accounts, a standard brokerage account has no contribution limits and no withdrawal age restrictions, making it the perfect tool for those who want to build wealth outside of traditional retirement accounts. It's also ideal for individuals aiming for early retirement or those looking to buy a home, fund education, or cover other significant life milestones. While you will pay capital gains taxes on the profits earned from investments like stocks, bonds, and mutual funds, the liquidity and flexibility of a taxable brokerage account are unmatched. You can access your money at any time without penalties or restrictions. This allows you to invest in a wide range of assets such as individual stocks, ETFs, index funds, or even real estate investment trusts, REITs, giving you control over how your portfolio grows. Many people use their brokerage accounts to invest for short or long-term goals, enabling them to build multiple streams of income that can provide steady cash flow and long-term growth. Whether you're looking for retirement diversification, early retirement, or simply want flexible access to your funds for life events, the taxable brokerage account offers unmatched freedom. If you want to balance your retirement investments with the ability to access funds whenever necessary, the taxable brokerage account is an essential part of your wealth-building strategy. 4. The free money match 401k/403b. Employer-sponsored retirement plans such as the 401k or 403b are some of the most effective ways to grow your wealth for retirement. In 2026, many employers offer a match on contributions, which is essentially free money. For example, if your employer offers a 100% match on the first 5% of your salary, you're getting an immediate return on your investment without doing anything extra. This free money can significantly accelerate your retirement savings. One important factor to consider when using a 401k is whether you should contribute to a traditional or Roth 401k. The key difference lies in when you pay taxes. Traditional 401k contributions are made pre-tax, and withdrawals in retirement are taxed, while Roth 401k contributions are made after tax, and withdrawals in retirement are tax-free. Understanding your future tax bracket and considering which account aligns with your financial goals is critical. Additionally, many 401k plans offer auto-escalation, which increases your contribution percentage annually. This helps automate your savings growth, ensuring that your retirement account continues to grow without you needing to think about it. 5. The high-yield holding tank cash management account. In recent years, cash management accounts, CMAs, have gained popularity as a hybrid account that blends the benefits of both checking and savings accounts. Offered by modern fintech companies, these accounts pay interest rates that are significantly higher than traditional checking or savings accounts, while still providing the flexibility of a checking account. What sets CMAs apart is that they offer SIPC insurance, providing the same level of protection as traditional banks. During market dips, having cash in a CMA allows you to deploy funds into the market at discounted prices, capitalizing on market corrections without having to sell other investments. This gives you the ability to buy stocks, ETFs, or other assets at a lower cost, enhancing your investment strategy. The combination of higher interest and easy access to your funds makes CMAs a strategic account for building a cash buffer while still allowing for investment flexibility. Moreover, the liquidity and convenience offered by CMAs are ideal for those looking to maintain cash reserves without sacrificing potential growth. Whether you're preparing for market opportunities or simply need a more efficient way to manage cash, CMAs are a valuable tool in your financial toolkit. There you have it, the top 5 investment accounts everyone should understand in 2026. From tax-free growth with Roth IRAs to the flexibility of taxable brokerage accounts, these accounts are designed to help you build wealth, reduce taxes, and achieve your financial goals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on smart investing. Let me know in the comments which account you're most excited to start using, and I'll see you in the next video.